In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from your Android phone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, to get started, first of all, you need to launch your phone settings. Then once you are here, you will need to scroll down. Then you will go to accounts. Then you are going to see your personal accounts here. So you will search for Google. As you can see, Google is at the top there. Just tap on it. Then here you are going to see the list of your Google accounts. So you will select the Google account that you want to remove from your Android phone. So I'm going to select this one here. Tap on it. Then it is going to bring you to sync settings. So here you are going to see remove button at the top there. So in order to remove this Google account from Android phone, you're just going to tap on remove. Then remove. Then the Google account will be removed from your Android phone. So you just go back, and that's simply it. That's how you can easily remove Google account from your Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice time.